Ever wondered where the mountains touch the sky, where every glance feels like a painting? Welcome to the hidden gem of Mulshi, where nature unfolds in 360 degrees of breathtaking beauty. Welcome to Perma Healing House, truly a hidden gem embraced by lush green heaven. Step inside and feel the outside world embracing you, with walls of glass that bring the serenity of nature right into your living space. Stroll through the lush lawn, or retreat to a bedroom where calm blue tones and expansive glass doors make every morning feel like waking inside a dream. Book this nature